today for this carrot sunrise juice, you're going to need those carrots, apples, a juicer, a mason jar to pour it in, a sharp knife for cutting, and a big bowl to help you wash your fruits and vegetables for the juice. Okay, now once you have all your ingredients together, we're just giving them a wash. We're going to pour some fruit and vegetable wash to help remove some of the pesticides and chemicals that may still be on them, even though these are organic ingredients. So then once you have that, you're just going to pour the water on them, get the soap, and then just scrub them, give them a good scrub, and then rinse them off and drain the water. We're going to cut the ends and then cut them in half and just throw them back in the bowl. We do that for our carrots, our apples, and our lemon. Then we're going to cut the apple, same thing. We're just going to enforce, leave the skin, leave the seeds. All those contain vital nutrients, so we're just going to leave all that and throw it back in the bowl. Now we're going to turn on our juicer and get this thing going. You want to let it run for about 10 seconds before you start juicing, just to warm up the juicer. And then you just want to put the carrot in. I like to alternate carrot and apple and then just push it down. Now we use up all our ingredients, and it almost filled up the whole container of juice, but as you see, we're going to pour it into a mason jar and see how much we get. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. So once the juice is all stirred up and incorporated, I'm going to pour it into my mason jar here. This is a 32-ounce mason jar. And as you can see, you're going to get all the way to the top and get a little, probably about an ounce extra of juice, which is great for tasting. So 15 carrots, 5 apples, a lemon made about a little bit over 32 ounces of juice. So I'm just going to screw that lid on real quick and pop that in the refrigerator to drink for later. So there you have it, carrot sunrise juice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and check out my Instagram at absolutelymaya. Thanks for watching and see you next time.